Krissnaildit. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you are new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into our video for today. This is a maintenance vlog, y'all. We are about to get some stuff done. I'm gonna get my hair done real quick. We got a wax appointment to get to. I need my eyebrows done. My nails and my toes are a mess, honey. Like, we are getting it done today, okay? Only thing I'm missing, honestly, is getting the facial. And he didn't have, I was about to book one, but homies didn't have one to book today. So we're gonna fit that into another maintenance vlog. Or that could be part of a self-care vlog. Instead of maintenance, that could be self-care. Period. So, yeah, we're about to go ahead and get into that. I'm about to hop in the shower real quick, and I'm going to meet y'all at my brother Ariel house. Her name is Ariel, like I just said. But if you look her up on Instagram, it's her maintenance 901. Okay, I'm excited. Like, I'm ready to get my hair done, y'all. I just took my hair down. I just took this hair down last night. So, I'm just ready to go ahead and get this hair put together. Like, it's so much. It's so much. Anyways, let me go ahead and hop in that shower. Okay.
Dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. No money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
New whip, got no keys. Tailor my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price like a million things, come and finish you. Know you being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the view. President's 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they don't go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm come from the pavement. $1 million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, on them, baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tailor my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, they support your head. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tailor my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. When you're living like this, they support your head.
Alright, you guys, so I am back. Okay, I am back. We got our hair done, it's laid, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so we are now on our way to our Brazilian wax. We're gonna go to Wax Therapy Studios. So yeah, this is definitely maintenance day. And then I feel like after I get my eyebrows done, I want to go to Bluff City Soap because they have, okay, so one of my clients, her name is Kaylin, and she's so sweet. She's like one of the University of Memphis cheerleaders. She's literally like, she seems just sweet person ever. But anyway, she gifted me like 2 soaps from Bluff City Soap. Y'all, I like warned her, like, you know, I break out very easily from using like soaps and lotions and stuff. So like, I don't use lotion. I only use like Vaseline and coconut oil, because if I use anything else, my skin flares up and it breaks out. That's the only thing that keeps me from breaking out, Vaseline, coconut oil. So when it comes to soaps, I can only use Safeguard antibacterial soap, or I could use Dove I could use the Dove exfoliating, and I could use the Dove sensitive skin. And I could also, I tried using Dove cocoa butter. That works as well. But if I use anything else, like within like 3 days, I just started breaking out. So I would rather not break out. And so, you know, I was telling her, you know, whenever I use soaps, you know, handmade soaps, you know, from people, just, you know, at home making shit, I break out. And she was just like, you know, just try this. And she brought me the soaps, and she was just like, they were just made today. Just give it like 3 days and then use it. I gave it a good week and a half, 2 weeks, because I just wanted to make sure that I was not going to break out. Like, that's my biggest thing. Like, I hate when my skin gets irritated, because I become irritated and I just hate looking at it. So anyways, we are on our way to our appointments. And I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all tag along to get there. I really look crazy right now. I look all boy-like, y'all. I ain't got no mascara on, so my lashes are just looking so dull. I got my braids, but my braids are cute though. I need to get my lashes done. I need to get my eyebrows done, because they look like they need some help. They do. But anyways, let's go.
You know what time it is. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When a lick a hit, then the bitch get toxic. Why the fuck you in the club and niggas wild? I've been lit since brunch, that shit. Order 42 for the table, let's pop shit. Missionaire or doggy style on my top shit. Pussy ass niggas hating on me from the closet. Hoes tryna call me a snake, shit. I guess I can relate, cause a bitch spit a whole lot of venom. And since these hoes all rats, when they come around me, all I see is a whole lot of dinner. I walk around the house butt naked and I stop at air mirror, just stare at my own posterior. I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Hoes said they wish a bitch would, and I'm a genie. Bitch so high, gotta stay in bikinis. He got a girl, but he keep begging to see me. I love it when a nigga got a mouth full of BBs. No, I'm not a patient, but I let him treat me. I gotta be a doctor, how I'm ordering CCs. Go to your place, no place, no case. 99% tent in a blacked out rape. I remember hoes used to clap for me happily. Now I'm bossed up and them same hoes mad at me. Like, all right, y'all, we in our next appointment. I forgot to record when I was getting my wax, only because I had to wait like 30 minutes because they had like some type of system failure, system shutdown. So I had to wait. I was like, okay. It was like 30 minutes. So when I got up, I was ready to go ahead and get up, get in, and get out. But yeah, I'm snatched to perfection. But now we finna go ahead and get these eyebrows snatched into perfection. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take y'all in to see my girl. Hopefully she in here today. You can go in here. Hold on. Get my face mask. My face mask on. Dude. Okay. and I stop at air, just stare at my own posterior. I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Hoes said they wish a bitch would, and I'm a genie. Bitch so high, gotta stay in bikinis. He got a girl, but he keep begging to see me. I love it when a nigga got a mouth full of BBs. No, I'm not a patient, but I let him treat me. I gotta be a doctor, how I'm ordering CCs. Go to your place, no place, no case. 99% tent in a blacked out rape. I remember hoes used to clap for me happily. Now I'm bossed up and them same hoes mad at me. Acting like they riding whole time trying to pass me. Watching me go through it, still trying to drag me. Acting like you winning if you think about it actually. Are they supporting you or really just attacking me? I don't give a fuck about a blog trying to bash me. I'm the shit per the recording academy. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Drinking out the motherfucking bottle on my thigh shit. Everything I eat goes straight to my pockets. 2021, finna graduate college. Shop girl shit, I'm a real hot topic. Fucking on a nigga, make him sing on some pop shit. I need a real headbang on some rock shit. Pussy like crack when it hit it like dope. Got a real hot box, but a bitch don't smoke. Hot girl, but I'm still the coldest. Hey, I'm the big homie, but I ain't the oldest. Bitch dry hating, trying to get noticed. Man, ain't nobody come to see you, Otis. Look, how many bitches lying if they say they boss is better? They really so I really gotta go at your pet. I'm really talking, but it really.
So I called you because I wanted to know what soaps you gave me that time because I wanted to buy some more.
Oh yeah. I think I just texted you back, but the tea tree with oatmeal, we don't have that one because the owner came in to make that soap for us. But we have the unscented, and then we have oatmeal and honey, which is similar to the tea tree and oats.
Oatmeal and honey?
Yes.
I'll try one. What's the other one that you gave me?
I think I gave you the unscented one.
I think it has something in it. It wasn't unscented. It has something in it.
It might have been oatmeal and honey.
Okay.
Too. So that's the one with shea.
I didn't see this in it though. This is beautiful. Okay, what's another good one that you don't think would break me out? 'Cause I have sensitive skin. I want to get at least 2 of them in here. These are so nice.
This is the oatmeal honey without the shea butter. And it has like a exfoliant, the oatmeal.
Okay. Are you back there making soaps? Oh, that is so cute.
She's ready. Yeah.
So y'all just sit here and make the soaps. That's cool. Do you see anything different? That girl popped on her lashes. Okay, so I'm back at the house. As y'all can see, that girl is looking together. That girl's looking good. Okay, so I wanted y'all to see the soap that I got. That I got a free soap, by the way, from Bluff City Soap. This is just like one of their extras. And it smells really good. So like whatever extras they have, they just keep it and they just toss it in to anybody who comes. Like they just give them a free soap. And it smells so good. So I'm gonna go over. So I got the oatmeal and plus honey. Anything that has oatmeal in it, I could pretty much use because it wouldn't irritate my skin or break me out. So I got the oatmeal plus honey. I got the oatmeal and shea butter. Ooh. I don't even know which one I want to smell like first. Like, oh my God. So, yes, I got these. And I also wanted to show y'all because right after I left Bluff City Soap, I had realized that there was a product that I wanted when I went there the other day because I went to, Ulta the other day. And I went to buy me some lashes. Not the lashes that I have on right now. These are from Sephora. But the lashes I was buying Ulta yesterday, I was like, okay, they got them on sale. Really, they lied to me. Because, like, girl, I asked, I said, are these packs like $6.99? She was like, yeah, it says there. That shit was $8.99. This other packs I thought was $6.99, was $11.99. But you want to know what? It's okay. Because I'm still going to wear them. Anyways, so I went back to Ulta because I wanted to buy this Derma E Essentials. This is an overnight face peeling mask. I had to go back. I went and did like a little, I stay on a busy street, y'all, and my windows are open. This is the overnight peel. And I did like a little research on it just to like see if this will be good for me, good for my skin. It's 100% vegan, non-GMO. It's cruelty-free, eco-ethical. It has alpha hydroxy acids in it. And it's an exfoliant as well. So I was like, you know, I'm going to use this because I don't know if y'all can tell. You see them dark marks? Dark marks. I got dark marks on my face. Like, I don't have any pimples or anything, but I have dark marks. And I've talked about this in like one of my other skincare videos, and just, you know, if you watched me get ready, and I was just talking about it. But yeah, so I have been doing everything in my power to get rid of these dark marks, and I am going to get rid of these dark marks. Okay. So I went about this Derma E Essential overnight pill, and hopefully it works really, really well. It says gluten-free as well, soy-free, it's recyclable, no parabens, no formaldehyde, sulfates, minerals, okay. It's supposed to be basically 100% vegan. So hopefully this works for me. I was about to do my nails right now. I'm probably gonna give myself like a little manicure. I'm about to do my nails, but I'm not about to show y'all me doing my nails. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because I'm about to just go chill for a minute. I have not eaten anything today, so I'm about to eat lunch, and I'm about to probably start working on a painting and just like vibe out for like a little minute before I have to work, because I have 2 clients coming in a couple of hours. So yeah, I'm finna just chill. This has been like a nice little maintenance day. I'm sorry I wasn't able to take y'all to my wax appointment, well, inside my wax appointment, but we will do that. We'll do that next time. But until then, check out my other vlogs. And yeah, I got some other things planned that I will be showing you guys later on this week. So be on the lookout. Okay. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.